Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to start a new grammar topic. Can you guess which topic is this? So let's see. Question is, a mother has 4 sons, north, south and east. What is the name of the 4th son? So do you have any idea what is the name of the 4th son? Answer, you must be guess west, but your answer is wrong. The name of the 4th son is what? Have you noticed what is the name of the 4th son? In this sentence, in the last, full stop is there. That means this sentence is not a question, it is just a simple sentence, and this is the answer, what. So name of the 4th son is what. Now you must understood what is the importance of punctuation marks. Because of the punctuation mark in the writing, that can be a question also and it can be an answer itself. So punctuation marks are very important. So let's discuss about some punctuation marks. So let's start discussing about the punctuation marks. Our first punctuation marks is full stop. Full stop is used at the end of the sentence. When our sentence has been completed, we use full stop. So let's have some example of the full stop also. Like if I say, Tom plays basketball. In the end, what I will use? Full stop. Same way, he gets up early in the morning. Here also the sentence has been completed, so that's why we used it. Our next punctuation mark is question mark. You know where we use question mark? Yes, whenever we used to ask a question, in the end we use question mark. Let's have some example also. What are you doing? In the end, question mark. Where are you going? In the end, question mark. Have you seen the film? Question mark in the end. This punctuation mark is comma. This is the sign of comma. Comma is used to separate a set of words, but not used before or and end. बिकॉज और एंड से तो हम टू सेंटेंसेस को कनेक्ट करते हैं. सो व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग और एंड वी डू नॉट यूज comma. Let's have some example. The comma is used when we are talking about the same kind of thing, like I need to buy sugar, milk, bread, jam or butter. Here I am giving pause and that's why I am using comma. Our next punctuation mark is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used after a word or a group of words to show anger, shock or surprise or giving a command. So let's have some example also कि जब हम किसी को हमें कुछ लगता है कि सरप्राइजिंग हुआ है, that type of feeling we used to show by showing the exclamation mark. Wow, it's very fast. So it's showing the feeling. What a beautiful day. In the end, exclamation mark is there to show the. Next punctuation mark is apostrophe. जो apostrophe है वो दिखने में कोमा के जैसे ही है, बट द मेन डिफरेंस इज apostrophe हम वर्ड के टॉप में यूज करते हैं और जो कोमा है वो मिडल में यूज करते हैं. apostrophe मेनली किस चीज को शो करता है? बिलोंगिंग्स को. मीन्स कोई चीज किससे बिलोंग करती है, कि समथिंग बिलोंग्स टू समवन. सो लेट्स हैव सम एग्जांपल आल्सो. लाइक इफ आई से that is John's little red car. If I have used apostrophe, that means जो कार है किससे बिलोंग करती है? जॉन से. This is my sister's bedroom. बेडरूम किसका है? सिस्टर का. Next is capital letter. There are some rules about the capital letter. Whenever we start a sentence, the first letter should be capital. And after completion the sentence, after the full stop, when we are writing the next sentence, the first word that we are writing, its first letter should be capital. After the full stop जो हम next sentence write करते हैं, उसका भी first letter क्या होता है? Capital. Next is I. जब हम we बोलते हैं that means हमारे अंदर ego नहीं है, but whenever we used to say I, तो that means we have the ego. और I में हमेशा ego होती है, तो I हमेशा क्या होता है? कैपिटल ही रहता है. वेयर वी आर राइटिंग द I, चाहे हम सेंटेंस के मिड में लिख रहे हैं, एंड में लिख रहे हैं, और वी आर राइटिंग इन द स्टार्टिंग, I ऑलवेज कम एज अ कैपिटल. क्योंकि कई बच्चे भूल जाते हैं, दे यूज टू राइट स्मॉल. बेटा जब हम I लिखते हैं ना, वी आर यूजिंग I एज अ प्रोनाउन, तो I को हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर ही लिखा जाता है. सो डोंट फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. एंड देन मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर, डेज ऑफ द वीक, that also first letter remains capital. Next is whenever we are writing our name or we are writing someone else's name, that also first letter always comes as a capital letter. So take care of these things. Student, I hope you understood where we use capital letter, where we use comma, where we use question mark, and where we use exclamatory and apostrophe sign. So this is all for today. Thank you.